The primary mission of Bagawan Foundation is to give back to Bali's local community through addressing nature conservation, education, and healthcare needs. The Bali Starting Conservation Project was our first initiative. Our key focus is to work closely with the local community here in Melengi Kelot village because we believe conservation lies hand in hand with community involvement.
Pikiran saya kok tambah senang ya melihat burung seperti itu aja. Lebih senang saya melihat kebebasan.
We also tried to involve local residents as much as possible in our releases, as the survival of the released bird depends on them. Local support means great achievement for us.
Lebih enak lihat burung itu bebas daripada di kandang terkekang. Nah, dari sanalah saya punya berpikir bahwa burung ini memang harus lepas dia.
Awalnya dia di sini, ini lubangnya kecil, ini dibuatin yang baru. Kemudian lubangnya saya bikin besar.
We also provide after-school lessons in our own learning center, focusing on wildlife protection and environmental education.